Okay, and with that, we have the carburetor assemblies out. Now, we get to start rebuilding them. Okay, so now we're going to get started rebuilding the carburetors, now that we've actually gotten to them. Very hard to get to. Okay. Okay. Got those 2 screws out, got the cap off. Cap, 2 screws, the spring. Now, this is the diaphragm. So, the diaphragm has got to be perfectly intact or it's gotta have to be replaced. Ours actually looks good. That needs cleaned up, but that's why we're going in there. Okay. Actually, I mean, these carburetors look, look at that. They look extremely clean. Okay. Now, let's go into this side. Just going to do one at a time. Want to be very careful with these screws. We don't have the JIS screwdrivers. Again, I don't think this one has been touched. I don't think it's ever been gone into, only because of, the way I seen it, that it was still intact. All of the zip ties and stuff. Not to say that means it couldn't have been gone into, but most people don't take the time to put that stuff back on. Okay, now we're starting to get a little gunky. Not too bad, but a little gunky. 5/16 socket. Okay, pulling that pin out of the way allows you to get both the float bowl out. The float seems to be fine. I don't hear any liquid in it. It also allows you to get the needle valve out. And this valve hangs from the float. Alright, that took a minute. Okay. Apparently that's no good. Let's see if this one's any good. Not really. Okay. Now, if yours is really bad, you might have to break out an old toothbrush or something and scrub it a little bit. That's what I'm going to have to do in the top of this bowl. This one, of course, has been just for cleaning parts for quite a while. And this bowl wasn't horrible, but, you know, while I'm in here, to me it just makes sense to clean it up as best you possibly can. Now, Oh yeah, that's an old gasket. That thing is stiff and brittle. The new one, real pliable. Okay. Looks so much better. Okay. Old and new. Got to make sure you put your O-ring on there. Push that down. Help seat it a little bit. And then we're going to go right back in with the old screw. Rebuild kit does not come with a new one. Okay. Float. Our new valve. Okay. Make sure our new valve sits right down in there. Okay. Get that rod back all the way across there. Fully seated. We aren't lining up. There we go. Okay. Got that in there good. We're springy. Spray this one more time. Very important to make sure that your gasket stays lined up. You don't want to get any kind of carb cleaner or acetone or anything of the sort on this rubber. All right, and we're done. So we're going to throw these back on the bike. I'm probably going to clean off the outside of all this before I put it back together. Be much easier to do it now than it will be to do it later. So I'll clean this up and we'll put it back on the bike.